Bad habits and how to fix them. In order to double your reading speed, you must be able to monitor and control the bad habits you have when reading. You won't be able to improve your reading skills without first examining what makes you a slow or average reader in the first place. Below are some of the key ways in which adults unwittingly slow themselves down as readers. Some, maybe even most, may apply to you, and you might not even be aware of it. You will also find a list of techniques for fixing the bad habits, therefore helping you toward the goal of increasing your reading speed. Remember, the more you apply the techniques, the faster your reading pace will improve. We will look at some of the real secrets to seriously speeding up your reading, but for now, let me ask, what is slowing you down? Issues before you even start reading. Suboptimal physical and mental conditions. You may never have considered how much your physical and mental conditions affect you, but they can have an enormous impact on the speed and manner in which you absorb written information. Your ability to read fast is directly related to your physical and mental state. The following factors are guaranteed to slow down your reading. You're tired. Many people like to read before going to bed, but the truth is you're better off just going right to sleep. You won't be reading at your peak capacity if you'd rather be sleeping. You just ate a lot. After you eat any meal, but especially a big one, more blood is rushing to your stomach than to your brain. Your brain just isn't going to be in top shape at this point. You have things on your mind. You need to have a clear, focused mind in order to reach an optimal reading speed. While some people can block out all other thoughts, many others cannot. You're in uncomfortable position. If you are uncomfortable, you won't have that clear, focused mind. You're too comfortable, but don't make yourself too comfortable, or you will end up convincing your body that it's time to get sleep. How to fix this? If any of the above seem to be affecting you, it's still okay to read, but understand that you would gain better results if you went to sleep or waited a little first.